want help, I tell the people to help your people back home.
Ask for help properly.
What
No,
you saying, bro?
Me say me want the people
no,
help back
ask for
home.
help properly.
Me say
What you want?
Ask for help properly, like how you.
what you want me say?
Speak properly, like how Papa them teach you.
But
Speak
the-
properly.
But Papa say you me do that. What Papa teach me to say?
Just speak properly and ask for help.
We want help back home. I mean,
Hurricane
everybody
no,
can do it.
brother.
Mass Oliver said we give generously.
We need help for Hurricane Melissa.
We need a Mass Oliver said we give generously. If you don't want to give
You know,
generously,
hear what man just say. How you fi say it? Repeat that there.
We need help for
yeah.
Melissa in Jamaica.
we need help in Melissa in Jamaica right now because the people need help.
No, slow down. We need help for Melissa in Jamaica.
We need help in Melissa in Jamaica right now.
That
Slow
sound little better still, but
Still a little fast, but
the
you gotta
people
look
them have
better.
to understand the message where you put out.
So now that means
So
what
you
you want me
can
to
get
do.
the help where you want to get.
Me say we need help because the people need it. So me say give back where you can do, donate where you can donate and give back who you can give because the people need help.
Bro, slow down.
They wonder what kind of
Donate.
help